Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we begin as we turn north onto US Highway 63 off of Arkansas State Highway 91 in Jonesboro, Arkansas, county seat of Craighead County. Here, US 63 is called the Joe N. Martin Expressway, named for a Jonesboro businessman and leader who lobbied for the development of countless roads and highways, the creation of Craighead Forest Park, George W. Jackson Mental Health Center, now part of Mid-South Health Systems Incorporated, and much more. A major Jonesboro thoroughfare, the Joe N. Martin Expressway honors his service. Shortly after we get onto US 63, we leave the city limits of Jonesboro. Here we see a business route of US 63 to the right, and the US 63 main line bypasses the city of Bono, which is mostly to the east of the highway. Is it Bono or Bono? Comment below to tell us which one you like better. We'll go with Bono. So the city of Bono had an estimated population of 2,484 as of 2019, up 16.6% from the 2010 census. Originally called Bonnerville for Alfred Bonner, an early settler and wealthy farmer who donated the land for a post office in exchange for the town being named after him, the post office declined the application because of potential confusion with a nearby town named Boonville. Residents held a contest and the name Bono was chosen for reasons lost to history. Bono is located in the lowlands west of Crowley's Ridge, and as a result, flooding has plagued the town since its inception. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We crossed the border into Lawrence County and then passed through the town of Sedgwick, which had an estimated population of 167 as of 2019. Around 1881, George Washington Sedgwick, president of the Sedgwick Tie Company, established a sawmill on the Cache River, and a small town was established named Sedgwick. Construction of a highway running from Mammoth Spring in Fulton County to Memphis, Tennessee began around 1920. First known as the Arkansas Highway 7, it later became part of US Highway 63, which we're on now. Electricity first came to Sedgwick in 1935 under the auspices of the Rural Electrification Administration. In 2000, businesses in Sedgwick included a restaurant, a construction company, and a machine shop. These had all closed by 2015, leaving Sedgwick with a Baptist church, a post office, and a volunteer fire department. The population began to grow, however, as more people who worked in Jonesboro, Hoxie, and Walnut Ridge chose to live in a small town environment. We enter the town of Walnut Ridge, the county seat of Lawrence County. Walnut Ridge was formally established in 1875 as a result of the railroad coming through the area. Today, the town has an estimated population of 5,062 and is the home of Williams Baptist University. The town also has a museum dedicated to the World War II-era Walnut Ridge Army Flying School. In Walnut Ridge, we see a junction of US Highways 63 and 67. We enter the city of Hoxie, which had an estimated population of 2,601 as of 2019. Together with the adjacent Walnut Ridge, a contiguous urban area is formed of about 8,000 residents. We conclude today's video as we leave the Hoxie city limits. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.